Tokens, how intelligence is built. Imagine walking into a bustling workshop where skilled artisans are meticulously piecing together an invention designed to change the world. Except, in this workshop, no metal is being forged, no lumber is being cut, and no sparks are flying from welders' torches. Instead, there's a different kind of creation at play, one that shapes our future in ways we're only just starting to understand. These are tokens, the fundamental building blocks that allow AI to learn, reason, and adapt. Before we continue, let's first define tokens. In basic terms, tokens are like puzzle pieces that AI models use to make sense of information. In language models, these tokens usually represent whole words or chunks of words. By chopping text, or other inputs, into these bite-sized bits, AI can pick up on patterns, grasp context, and whip up meaningful responses. Imagine tokens as the building blocks of a sentence, kind of like Lego pieces snapping together to create an entire idea. Without them, an AI would be completely lost, unsure where one thought stops and the next one starts. Tokens can seem deceptively simple at first glance, just tiny units of data that AI models use to make sense of the world, but don't let their small size fool you. They're incredibly powerful because they contain everything an AI needs to grasp meaning, context, and patterns. In essence, tokens transform raw information into insight. They're the reason AI systems can look at a batch of satellite images and detect subtle changes in landforms that might signal everything from environmental shifts to potential resource hotspots. Picture a rover on the Martian surface, sifting through mounds of red dust. It's gathering images and sending them back to scientists on Earth. Tokens enter the scene by breaking those images down into understandable chunks so the AI can identify patterns, perhaps evidence of ancient water flow or the presence of interesting geological formations. The end result is a breakthrough that helps guide future missions, making space exploration more intuitive and informed than ever before. Tokens are also behind the magic of predicting the weather or tracking climate change. They take countless data points, temperatures, ocean currents, atmospheric readings, and transform them into models that help us anticipate storms or understand how our planet is responding to human activity. Because of these tokens, we can plan ahead and minimize disruptions, potentially saving lives and protecting vital ecosystems. In the field of healthcare, tokens shine a bright light on the path to earlier disease detection. Imagine your doctor having the tools to spot a potential illness long before it takes hold. Through careful analysis of scans, test results, and patient histories, AI systems identify patterns hidden in vast amounts of medical data. And just like a keen-eyed detective following a crucial clue, tokens help AI find those telltale signs that would otherwise remain invisible. Beyond healthcare, tokens guide us in agriculture, making sure our fields produce more while using fewer resources. They help us protect endangered species by spotting patterns in migration data or habitat shifts. They allow robots to learn not just how to move, but how to show empathy, offering companionship to the elderly, assistance to individuals with physical challenges, or simply a helping hand around the house. All of this, from exploring distant planets to nurturing life here at home, begins with tokens. As we stand on the brink of astonishing new discoveries, it's worth remembering that the extraordinary often starts with something small. These tiny packets of data, these tokens, are shaping the next horizon of intelligence. And the exciting part? We're just getting started. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned, the next video is on its way.